This is a place where luxury and craftsmanship blend together in the manufacturing of automotive leather. As a leading source factory, we are proud to provide the highest quality automotive leather products tailored to your needs. Whether you are pursuing elegance, durability, or unique design, we can all meet your expectations. We combine traditional craftsmanship with advanced technology, creating automotive leather that exceeds expectations. Each piece of leather has been finely polished. Ensure excellent quality and consistency. Explore our diverse automotive leather solutions, including seat, steering wheel cover, instrument panel decoration, etc. From classic style to modern style, our product diversity meets various tastes and needs. We are committed to sustainable development and environmental protection. Our leather production process meets the highest industry standards. Minimize waste and environmental impacts while ensuring product quality. We view our customers as successful partners. We value communication, cooperation, and responsiveness. Ensure that you are satisfied with every aspect.